interview there, see?
Yeah,
Alright.
yeah.
So, why the reason why you born tidy?
Toilet your germs. You understand? It's a toilet that's something with your germs. When you go to the dirty toilet, them put them not flush.
Yeah.
And you go in it, that's why I'm saying bun toilet.
Alright.
I'm bun toilet forever.
Yeah.
Forever I'm a bun toilet. And to me say bun toilet, who wanna look you them like it?
Yeah.
I'm a bun toilet, that toilet your germs.
Yeah. So how long you have born tidy?
I'm bun toilet from about 5 years back. I'm a bun it forever. That toilet your germs.
Yeah.
Bun toilet.
So where you again?
My name is Tilo, but I mean him bun toilet original. Bun toilet.
Alright, you hear that?
Yeah.
Bun toilet forever.
Ever.
Yeah,
Born
toilet
tidy.
your germs.
Germs.
Toilet your germs.
Alright.
And to me say bun toilet, the whole of the youth them like it.
Yeah.
And them know say toilet your germs.
Alright.